Okay, welcome back. What I want to do is continue with Unit 305, okay? Unit 305, and again, Level 3. And again, we're looking at in regards to the 2357 and the 5357. So remember that the 2357 has now changed to being the 5357, okay? And what we're going to be looking at is Session 23, Regulatory Requirements, Special Locations, okay? Now there's the other video 22 shows you special locations, but for a different special locations. This one is also for another type of special locations. Just unlock. Should be interview. I can pop a little bit more. Okay. Okay. Now the regulatory requirement, special location. Now again, you need to ensure that you are compliant with the current IEE regs or IET regulations, okay? Whichever is applicable to yourself at that point in time. Okay. Okay. Now here you have exhibition show on stands, solar photovoltaic, mobile electrical installations, caravans, operating and maintenance gangways, temperature installations, flow and ceiling heating systems. Okay. Now, exhibition shows and stands. 7-Eleven. Now check that this number is still current. It may have changed in regards to the issuing of the 18th edition or otherwise. I have to admit I have not checked this myself at this point in time, but it was concurrent based on the on-site guide. But you need to check for yourself to make sure that the job that you have done is at current regulations at all times. Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's go make sure that we get this into view. Okay. Okay, let's come back. Okay. Okay. Now again, all I'm doing here is showing you a list of regulations, but it's down to you to ensure that each regulation is still concurrent and that they are still applicable. If the numbering has changed, it is your responsibility to ensure that you're operating to the current IE regulations. So let me just go back a little bit, make sure we get this into full view. Okay. Okay. And again, this is for you to read and be familiar with. I don't need to read this out to you. Okay. It's now your responsibility to ensure that you're compliant with all the regulations. Yeah, we are for photovoltaic PV power supply system. A PV system is a means of generation and as such is a live source in the same way that a normal supply is alive. The type of earthing arrangement may consist of at least one live conductor of the DC source being earth. If there is simple of separation between the AC side and the DC side. Yeah. And here they're simply showing you two possible means of connecting a micro generator to a dedicated circuit and how a micro generation system might be connected. Okay. Then we're going to make sure we can pick up information on both, okay? Okay. Okay. Just simply continues, okay? And again, as I've stated, regulations check that these numbers still corresponds, okay? And it is quite clear. You use the index in your IEE regs to find the relevant source of information in regards to solar photovoltaic cells. Okay. Mobile or transportable units, okay? Mobile or transportable units continues. Okay, I'll make sure we get it free, okay? Okay, okay. And again, make sure you're corresponding to the current IEE regulations, okay? The numbers may have changed since this was done, okay? And here you have a simple system showing you how the circuit should look like and how it should be wired in regards to a caravan. Okay, I'm back. Again, here's your maintenance, gangways, etc. Yeah. Again, make sure you have complied with the current regulations. I cannot emphasize that point enough. I don't need to be saying a lot here because again, as I've said, you need not to be compliant with the current regulations in reference to each of these data that's been given. Okay, that is now your responsibility. Okay. Okay, thank you. Good. Have a good day. Bye bye for now. Thank you.